ethers. Two important classes of organic compounds play a big role in modern agriculture, from disinfecting tools to preserving crops. These compounds are everywhere in farming.
Alcohols are organic compound containing an OH group. Their properties depend on chain length. Small alcohols like ethanols are highly soluble in water, while large ones are less soluble but still useful as solvent. Because of their polarity and ability to form hydrogen bonds, alcohols are incredibly versatile in formulated chemistry.
Stop thinking alcohol equals booze. Use it smarter. Clean crops. Use it smarter. Preserve crops. Use it smarter. Protect crops. Why aren't more people talking about simple molecules doing big farm jobs? In organic chemistry, alcohol means an O group. Tiny change, huge effects. Ethanol, a common solvent in formulations. Ethanol, a preservative for pesticides. Ethanol, a fermentation product used for biofuels. Isopropanol, a fast-drying sanitizer for equipment. Fatty alcohols, surfactants in formulated sprays. They improve spray spread. They help sprays stick to leaves. Glycerol keeps seeds stable as a humectant. Glycerol stabilizes formulations. Note, methanol is toxic. Never use methanol on food crops. Small molecules, big impact. That's alcohols in agriculture.
Ethers on hands up, an oxygen atom bonded to two carbon groups like ROR, generally less reactive than alcohol but excellent solvent. That makes them useful in preparing pesticide formulation and extracting plants compound such as essential oil for crop protection.
Why do 70% of crop treatments rely on invisible chemistry? Because ethers make the magic happen. Let's break it down. Ethers are special, simple molecules in organic chemistry. They contain one oxygen atom at their center, bonded between two carbon chains on either side. In agriculture, ethers play a quiet but vital role. They act as solvents, dissolving active ingredients efficiently. They also serve as carriers, delivering pesticides where needed. This makes farming safer and more efficient overall. So the next time you bite into fresh produce, thank ethers for helping keep your food healthy. One invisible bond at a time.
In agriculture, alcohols and ethers have many applications. Number one is ethanol is used as a disinfectant for farm tools and surfaces to control microbial contamination. Number two is methanol, and ethanol can serve as biofuel additives, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Number three is ethers act as solvents in pesticides and herbicides formulations, improving efficiency. And lastly is in some alcohols like benzyl alcohol are used in post-harvest preservation of fruits.
What's something people don't know about alcohols and ethers? They're not just lab stuff, they're actually game changers in agriculture. So, how do alcohols and ethers help farmers? Let's start with alcohols used on farms. Ethanol, used as a disinfectant on farms. Methanol, used in processing and disinfecting too. They're powerful disinfectants, protecting farm tools and equipment, keeping tools free from harmful bacteria and fungi, keeping equipment free from harmful bacteria and fungi, keeping seeds free from harmful bacteria and fungi. Ethanol is also used in making plant growth regulators. These regulators help crops grow stronger and faster. Now, ethers, like diethyl ether, are key solvents. They're used in making pesticides and herbicides, helping these chemicals mix and spread evenly. Certain ethers even boost the effectiveness of sprays. That helps crops stay healthy with less waste. So next time you bite into a juicy apple or see a lush field, remember, alcohols and ethers help. Science isn't just in the lab, it's right on your plate.
One example is a study published in Postharvest Biology and Technology. It showed that ethanol vapor treatment delay ripening in tomatoes, extending shelf life. This highlights how alcohol are just chemical, they are practical tools for sustainable crop management.
Of course, the orange methanol is toxic to human and livestock. Sweet handling requires strict safety measures. Excessive use of alcohol-based pesticide or solvent can harm soil microbes and reduce biodiversity. With either some are volatile organic compounds that contribute to air pollution. So while these compounds are useful, they must be managed carefully.
This is why you need to know about alcohols and ethers. One mistake can put your harvest at risk. One mistake can put your health at risk. Let's make sense of their real dangers. Alcohols and ethers are used to disinfect tools. They're commonly used to preserve lab and field samples, and they're even used in pest control. But here's the risk. They're highly flammable. They can cause serious health issues if inhaled. They can cause serious health issues if touched. Mishandling them could lead to crop damage and loss. Mishandling them could leave toxic residues on produce. Mishandling them could even cause dangerous accidents. Always follow published safety guidelines and training procedures. Store these chemicals properly in approved cabinets. Your farm and your future depend on it.
The future of alcohol and ethers in agriculture lies in green chemistry, developing safer, renewable, and biodegradable alternative. Bioethanol from crop residues is a great example. It provides energy without competing with food crops with sustainable practice. These compounds can help farmers while protecting the environment.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Science is changing how we grow our food. What do alcohols and ethers have to do with it? Alcohols might sound like chemistry class throwbacks, but they're working behind the scenes in agriculture every day. Alcohols, like ethanol, are used in plant sprays as eco-friendly solvents. Ethers help control pests, even boost the delivery of nutrients to crops, making farming more efficient. Scientists are finding ways to produce these chemicals from renewable resources like plant waste. That means fewer fossil fuels, less pollution, a cleaner planet. As we push for greener farming, alcohols and ethers are becoming key players in a more sustainable future. So next time you bite into a crisp apple, remember, there's a lot of science and sustainability behind that crunch.
So we've seen how alcohol and ethers work in agriculture. Their structures and property give them unique advantage. From disinfection to fuel activities.
And crop preservation to pesticide formulation.
But we must use responsibly.
Because risks are real and safety is key.
Together, sustainable practices make alcohols and ethers valuable allies for the future of farming.